Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast for breakfast. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 slices of your favorite thick bread, like brioche, along with 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Finally, have some butter or oil ready for cooking. Now, let's create the perfect custard for our French toast. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs until they are light and frothy. Slowly pour in 1/2 cup of milk, mixing it thoroughly with the eggs. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which gives our toast its signature flavor. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of salt to complete the batter. With our custard ready, it's time to cook. Heat your griddle or a large skillet over medium heat, adding a generous pat of butter or a drizzle of oil. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the custard, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. Ensure the bread is fully coated but not soggy. Place the dipped slices onto the hot griddle and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until golden brown. Your delicious French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm, right off the griddle for the freshest taste. You can get creative with toppings. Try fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. A generous drizzle of maple syrup or honey is always a classic choice. For an extra treat, add a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy this wonderful breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.